Scanning. Detecting Dominion forces and a Zerg hive cluster.
Yeah, there must be an old hive here. I'm more worried about the Dominion.
Ground team, this is Fleet. What is your status?
Fleet, our base is set up, and the track and pulse cannon is almost online.
Roger that. Eliminate all stragglers as they warp to these coordinates. We'll return for you. Fleet out.
That cannon will take out Jim's ship as soon as he enters orbit. He'll never see it coming. Set course for the Zerg hive cluster. I need an army. I can sense a mind controlling this brood. Who are you?
My queen, I am Nak'tul, a brood mother. You created us to extend your control of the swarm. Have you returned to us?
I'm not your queen, and I haven't returned. But I need your brood to destroy the Terran cannon right now.
Most of my brood is with me. I can send them to you, but it will take time.
Then send them. When they arrive, we'll tear down that cannon before Jim gets here. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare this hive for combat. The Dominion would have tracked my ship, and they'll be looking for me. Okay. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. The first thing I need is a spawning pool.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Command, we've found Kerrigan. She's holed up in a Zerg base. We're going in. Send reinforcements.
The Dominion found us. They're going to hit us hard. Covering ground. Sweeping. Heading out. I should make Zerglings from the larva at my hatchery. Sweeping. I remember spine crawlers. I can mutate them from drones.
When the Dominion arrived, they drove some of my brood into caves. They will rejoin us if we can kill the Terran soldiers guarding the cave entrances. The hive cluster is under attack. A queen would be very useful for fighting the Terrans. You can birth a queen at the hatchery. We require more minerals. We require
gotcha. Ready for action. Sweeping. Pushing ahead. Work to be done. Heading out. I gotcha. Sweeping.
Stand back up! Being attacked! Need backup! Ah!
Work to be done. Covering ground. Pushing ahead. Sweeping.
You can order a drone to build an extractor upon a Vespine geyser. Come out of hiding, Zerglings! Fight for your queen!
Say again? I gotcha.
There are more Zerglings in this cave, my queen.
Yeah, I hear you. Dominion approaching from the north. Right. Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Sweeping. Work to be done. Heading out. I gotcha. On the same page. Right. Pushing ahead. Work to be done. Covering ground. On the same page. Sweeping. Heading out. Safety's off. Heading out. Right. I gotcha. Sweeping. On the same page. Covering ground. Pushing ahead. Work to be done. Right. Heading out.
You have recovered part of the brood. Rise, my children.
On the same page. I gotcha. Covering ground. Pushing ahead.
There is a large Dominion force on its way to the Hive Cluster.
Safety's off. I gotcha. On the same page.
There are more Zerglings in this cave, my queen.
Say again? Ready for action. On the same page. Right. Work to be done. Heading out. Pushing ahead. I gotcha. Heading out. Work to be done. Pushing ahead. I gotcha. Sweeping. Right. Pushing ahead.
The hive cluster is under attack.
Ready for action. On the same page. Work to be done. Covering ground. Pushing ahead. Right. Heading out.
The worms are tunneling to you right now. My brood will be there soon. Your essence is stored within our primary hatchery. When you are near death, you will burrow to the hatchery to heal.
Now let's get up to their base and destroy that cannon before Jim arrives.
If you wish to command all of your forces in battle, there is a way to control them all at once.
Covering ground. Ready for action. On the same page. Right. I gotcha.
The brood grows stronger!
I gotcha.
Our forces are under attack.
Ready for action. On the same page.
Our forces are under attack.
Zerg! Defend the cannon!
I have arrived. All of my brood is here to serve you. Our forces are under attack.
Work to be done.
Our forces are under attack.
Sweeping. Pushing ahead.
The gun is destroyed! The Terrans are fleeing to their ships!
Kill them all. No one gets out alive.
Yes, the Queen has returned. Kill the Terrans!
The Queen? You're right. I was slipping back into something that... I have to get out of here.
We will await your return.
Jim? Are you on this frequency? Jim, are you out there? I'm at the rendezvous. It's all clear here. I've been thinking about what you said. There's something dark in me, Jim. I need you. I need you to hear me right now.
We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you this news. Notorious rebel Jim Raynor was captured in a daring raid yesterday. He was briefly interrogated and summarily executed. Emperor Mengsk had this to say.
Proud Dominion citizens, at long last our nightmare is over. The lawless ruthless terrorist, James Raynor, is dead.
With his death comes a new era of peace. The Protoss have retreated from our dominion, and the Zerg threat
Has been removed. Their swarm is shattered and leaderless. Soon, we will eradicate every last Zerg on Char. In short, we have won. Our peace and security is assured. Good night, my faithful subjects.
Navigation online. Destination Zerg space. Confirm.
Confirmed.
Intercepted part of the...
That's why I'm here. They'll either accept me as their queen, or I'll start killing them one by one until they do. What are you?
I am Isha. Your Majesty used to store all her ideas, thoughts, and plans within me. Do you not remember?
Yes, I do remember you. More importantly, you remember me.
You are the Queen of Blades. I obey.
Perfect. Summon the swarm and prepare to move on Core Hall.
The swarm is in disarray and will not answer your call. Most Zerg on Calder are under the command of Broodmother Nefash. She seeks to create her own swarm. While she lives, the swarm will be divided.
Not for long it won't. Take us down to the surface. What are you?
Abathur. Evolve swarm, spin strands and sequences. Served Overmind, then served Queen of Blades. Now serve you.
I am the Queen of Blades.
Different. Examining genetic strands. Queen of Blades was efficient, ancient Zerg qualities. Minor Terran influence. You, infected with more Terran matter. Grasper limb poorly designed. Can improve. We'll give it back better.
Don't touch me.
Only focus is evolving the swarm. Seek perfection in all things. Work in Evolution Pit. Can review my work here. Can evolve units at any time. Start with Zergling. Organism can be upgraded. 3 distinct mutations available. Once chosen, will activate sequences within creature. Improve combat potential. Mutation choice, not permanent, can alter. Swarm suffering on this moon.
I thought you'd made my Zerg stronger than this.
Calder as cold as deep space. Other than Leviathan, no reason to specialize Swarm for such cold.
Is that an excuse?
Wasteful to spin unnecessary adaptations. Complexity, bad. Not needed before. Needed now. We'll look for local fauna. Essence useful for Swarm adaptation.
Do it.